As a massage therapist, I'm all about ease and reducing stress, even in the small things. Fitted sheets don't have to be frustrating. In this quick video, I will show you a simple, clean way to fold fitted sheets so that they stay neat and flat. Let's make this one easy. All right, first things first, you want the long sides and you want to make sure your seams are inside out. You're going to put the seams together, tip to tip, fold this over. You're going to straighten this out, switch hands, straighten this bottom out, find the next pocket on the other side, and this is what you'll have. And this is what it should look like on the back side. Now, take your sheet, find a nice flat surface, push the air out with your thumbs, straighten out the bottom. You're going to take the elastics and make a circle with the elastic. Take this, fold it halfway up through the middle of the circle, straighten that out, fold it up one more time, and now fold, fold, and fold. And there you have it. Nice and neat and ready to go on the shelf.